British Library Endangered Archives Programme, a joint project between the Northeastern Hill University Shillong and the University of Melbourne, Australia, aimed to digitize cultural history of the KHASI and JAINTIA people, was launched today, the 25th of November 2021 at NEHU. The project has been funded by the ARCADIA Fund, which is an international humanitarian organization which aims at preserving the culture and history of regions across the globe. Speaking during the launch of the BLEAP project, the Vice-Chancellor of the Northeastern Hill University Shillong, Professor Prashant Kumar Shukla, said that the digital archives would enable the preservation of knowledge in the regional, national and international languages that would benefit generations to come.
Step by step, we will collect the information, we will develop the technologies, and with the application of the technologies, we can do that, or we will do something for the coming generation. Just like translation of the knowledge from one language to other language. We know we have the softwares, but there is a need to take a challenge for the regional languages. And really, no doubt, this education policy as well as this project, endangered knowledge. First time I listened this word, I already listened the word endangered plants, endangered animals or species. For first time listen this word endangered books also. It means you are just going to preserve the endangered knowledge of the Northeast. After the preservation of the knowledge, convergent translation of the knowledge in different languages, either from KHASI or Garo or any other, in the national languages, then in the international languages. And some knowledge is already available in the international languages or in national languages, translate into the regional languages. Then, in this form, we can provide something, knowledge of KHASIs, Garos to coming generations.
Also speaking about the project, Professor Desmond L. Karmoplang of the Department of Cultural and Creative Studies at NEHU urged upon all individuals, families, institutions and others to come forward and share these important and priceless documents for preservation through the Digitised library.
Ban shimbu yakani ka kabu ban kerpat yaki loyeng longsem yaki individuals yaki rewshimat yaki institutions yaki let's say ki seng ki boper ban lada pidon kono ko ban share bangi lada pidon kilo ki luksa jong kita ki cultural heritage ki balalong endangered balalong threatened ki badan hagajing ma let's say hagajing sok pring kumonong markani kot ka mga ain kusas ko boy class sok du pring let's say kidon kum kini ki nuksa ki badon shi ki jaka ki baslap ki ba ujur slap te ka ban preserve ki ka khamstom let's say kidon ki blabam krun te kum kita bro lengba kani ka project ni nila ban preserve ki mundai bangi ngin shim nabi drai ni preserve ki da ba digitize yakini ki but ka copyright ki jompi ka Shillong tang ba ngin preserve ki hatur kom ko dei kom systematic but ka longru ka ak ka ba so sarong ba yakutu ka kam ka bangin la identify bangin digitize ba bangin preserve she copy kan don the British Library she copy kan don the University of Melbourne but she copy kan don the library ni apa